Hello everyone, Bill Bacardi here. Hopefully everybody's well. Just got home. We're gonna pick a lock. You know what? I got all these locks from Pickaholic, and I'm positive I picked this lock before. It's a big Willie. Keys, mommy, I'll do that. It says possibly eviler than the last. Big Willie. It's got a couple smiley faces and stuff on it. But I think that it was in the videos that I lost. Because I lost like 24 videos or something when I was out of town. And there was a bunch of locks I had, and there were a bunch of Texas gems. It was horrible. But I'm sure that them locks will make it back around to me sometime. It's a quick set keyway, so put the 50,000s on the top. We'll start with just the Forest Diamond. Okay. Oh, I didn't know if I'm squared up or not, guys. Let me get a little closer here for you. Is that good? See, I don't know how to zoom in and all that stuff. Like all the rest of the guys do. But I hope you get a good enough view of when I'm picking these. Okay. All right, we just want to do a little bit of a false set there. It's a really floppy lock. Okay. My face is really moving around today. All right, we're going to reset that. There you can see how much flop is in that core, guys. Okay. Okay, just touch 4, give me a little turn on that core. 3, a little bit more. 1 is giving me counter here, but that's as far as it'll push. It won't set. That's weird. Actually, it might be 2. Oh, I'm losing my tension wrench. Yeah, he won't set for some reason. 2's solid now. 3. 4 is definitely solid. And I got a little bit of counter on 3 again there. Little click. Okay, I'm in a deep, deep, deep false set now. And I feel like it's pin 1 holding me up. Oh, I just dropped something back there. I went right back into that false set, though. Okay. Deep false set again. Truly feels like pin 1 here, because it gives me a little bit of counter. Okay, just get a little bit of counter. I think that's number 4. I'm going to let a little tension off, see if I can set that pin. Okay. I don't want to let that much tension off, so we reset the whole lock. Okay. 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 Everything feels set in there. Two is completely solid. Let me fix my tension wrench again. The top of this lock is wallowed out pretty bad. So my tension wrench keeps sliding out of it. Okay, we're open there. Huh. Beautiful. Okay, let's open this up and see what Big Willie put inside of it. Okay, let's get this key unmummied first. Oh, he's got a little note with it too, I remember. There's the bidding. Let's see what the little note says here. Oh, this is the, it says, pinned by Big Willie the locksmith, may cause cursing, throwing of tools, stress, and loss of sanity. Awesome. Okay, let's get the pinning board up here. It's a neat clip. We do have a key, but I don't want to lock it up if I don't have to. Beautiful. Okay. Ooh, that core's sliding right out of there. Okay, let's get a shim in this baby. Pull this apart and see what's in it. Pins are facing away from me. Okay. All the pins are in and working, as you can see. That's why all that flops in that core. All right, so if you look, 2 and 4 were really, really close to the shear line there. Okay, number 1's a standard. 2 is a serrated, very, very long serrated. 3 is a spool. 4 is a long, long serrated too. Actually, 2 is like a serrated spool almost. It's really, really long. Okay. What's done in them chambers? There's definitely countermilling in those chambers. Yeah, countermilling in 1. Nothing in 2. 3 is countermilled. 4 looks like it, but it's not really catching my pick. 5 is definitely countermilled. Okay. Let's see what's up here in the Bible. Nice. Very nice spool. I think that's a factory spool, yeah. It was this way. Steel spring. 2's not coming out of there. 2 is a serrated. I don't know if he's got a spring in him or not. We'll have to come back to that one, guys. 3 just comes shooting out of the hole. It's a standard pin. I'm surprised that core had so much flop in it with a standard in there like that. But it's really loose, this core. This whole housing is really loose. There's 4. Wow. I can't even keep the plug follower in it. It's so opened up. Another spool in 5. Steel spring, and he was a strong spring there. So all we're looking for is spring 2 and 3. And neither one of them want to cooperate, of course. I don't think 2 has a spring in it, guys. And there's no spring in 3 either. I'll have to take that cap off and look, but I don't see no springs in there, guys. No? Nothing whatsoever. No? I don't think there's springs in 2 and 3. Okay, let's bring it on a pinning board, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Number 1, we had this standard. Sorry. Had this standard with this spool up above it. Sorry. Steel spring. And 2, we had this really cool, really long, like a double serrated key pin with the serrated up above him. Then this spool and number 3 with a serrated, with a standard, no springs in 2 or 3. And then this really long serrated here with this pretty nice serrated up above them. I think that's a factory serrated one with a real short spring, copper spring there. And then you had a standard in 5 with the nice spool up above him. Steel spring in that one too, guys. I'll give you once more over here. This was chamber 1, 2, chamber 3, chamber 4, chamber 5. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and good night.